welcome. My name is Tolan and I'm the co-founder of Productivity Me. In this video, we're going to look at a method to insert the current date within a Excel spreadsheet. We'll do this by Ctrl semicolon, but we'll also look at a non-keyboard shortcut way to do this, or a keyboard long method to achieve the same result. So with that, let's get started and jump right into our lesson. Okay, so we have Excel here and we have it open. Let's just create a new sheet here, a new spreadsheet. And let's say that we want to insert today's date. Now, one way to do it would be to go to Google and look up the date. So today's date, we could maybe copy and paste that, or we could just type it in. We'll say that we copy and paste it. Clearly, we wouldn't want to do it that way, but Unicode text. The issue with this method is that it's in a general format. We would actually want it as a short date. Might be input as text, actually. A faster way to do that than to go look at Google or even to manually type it would be to press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl semicolon. Pressing Ctrl semicolon will automatically give you today's date. So again, Ctrl semicolon would give you today's date based on your computer's clock. So if we were to be distracted, come down here, we could go to Properties, go to Customize Notification Area. We would go to Turn the System Clock On and Off. We'll hit OK, and you'll see that it's currently 10:27 p.m. on Friday, July 24th, 2015. So we're going to hit OK. Another way that you could achieve the same result if you didn't remember the keyboard shortcut of Ctrl semicolon would be to enter the keyboard command now, which is a formula. You would have your parentheses and hit OK, but it's going to be the date and time. So then you would have to come up here and you would go to Date, More Dates. You would go to Date, and then you would select probably this date or maybe the long date. You would hit OK and it would be selected. Alternately, you could type in now, then you could come here and you can just type in, I think it's long date, enter, maybe it's short date, we'll see. And it would be correct. Lastly, you could come in here, type in the word now. Once you enter that equation, you could come up here, you could go Alt Home, and then you would go N for this item here. And then once you're in the format section, you would just type in short date, hit enter, and it would be changed. But that's quite a few steps. My preference is to just press the Control key and the semicolon key. That would enter your date into it. As an alternative, we looked at the idea of typing in the function now. That would give you the date and time, and then you would come up here and you would select short date, or alternatively, you could type in the function of now, and you would go to Alt Home, and then N, and then short date, enter. So those are three ways to input the date of whatever today's date is into your Excel spreadsheet. In our next video, we'll look at the keyboard shortcut of Ctrl Shift semicolon, which will allow us to input the current time into our spreadsheet. So check that out in our next video, and as always, thanks for watching.